Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, humans remember their name, address, contact number, etc. by storing them in their memory. Similarly, computer can also remember the data and information by storing them in its memory. Computer has a larger memory than humans and never forgets the things. A computer stores everything in the forms of zeros and ones. Computer memories may be large but they are limited. A single unit of a number is known as bit. Short for bit is binary digit. Binary code lets numbers to be expressible using just two digits 0 and 1. One nibble is equal to 4 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes and 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. The capacity of a memory to store data and information is called its memory. Memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also known as internal memory. It is used to store data and programs running in the computer. It is essential for the working of the computer. Primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It holds the data temporarily. The information can be read and written on it. It is also known as read-write memory. Next is ROM. ROM is read-only memory. It is used to store data and information permanently. Programs are stored on ROM chips when a computer is manufactured. You can only read the information from the ROM. Any new information cannot be written on it. Now we will talk about secondary memory, that is storage devices. Secondary memory is also called external memory, or you can call it storage devices. It is used to store the data permanently. There are different types of external storage devices. Now we will discuss about all those storage devices one by one. First of all, we will discuss about hard disk. Hard disk is a storage device. It is used to store the data permanently. Hard disk is a collection of disks in stack. It is available in different storage capacities, usually ranging from 320 GB, 500 GB to TBs. Now we will discuss about CD-ROM. It is compact disk read-only memory. It can store data up to 700 MB. It is available in two forms, CD-R compact disk recordable and CD-RW compact disk rewritable. CD-R is compact disk recordable. Data once written cannot be erased. Whereas CD-RW data can be erased and new data can be written on it. Next we will discuss about flash drive. It usually has a storage capacity of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 GB. Nowadays we have some pen drives of capacity 1 TB also. Data in it can be read, written, deleted or transferred. It is a small, easy to use and portable device. So students, that's all for today. Today you have learnt about what is memory, its types, and we have also discussed about different types of storage devices. For today only this much. Thank you so much.